Will you tell all of your generalizing anti-bronies to shut the hell up? What the hell have we done to you that makes you hate us so much? Can we not just enjoy the show for the show's sake? Can we not create blogs and threads dedicated to ponies because we like them? For the same reason every other human being on the planet does it? Can we not have inside jokes? Do they all have to be taken seriously? Can we not have rights as simple people who want to enjoy the internet as they want and at their leisure? Ask yourself these questions, then maybe you'll be enlightened to the truth about brownies.
Translation of this whole fucking paragraph.